Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your home girl Sunuk, and as by the title you already know that today I shall be doing try and haul for you guys, and if you guys are excited, keep on watching. Like always, I'm gonna do a Shein video for you guys. If you guys are interested on buying any of the Shein items, then please don't forget to use my coupon code. So it's gonna be over here, and also it's gonna be in the description box. Okay, I have done the unboxing video of Shein in my second channel, so if you guys are excited, then check them in the second channel. I did an Instagram live where me and my grandmother did an unboxing live video and haul, and maybe I don't know if you guys like this video, please thumbs up. On that note, I would like to say thank you so much for sponsoring me this lovely item. So first I'm going to talk about is this lovely velvet dress, and if you guys been following me on my Instagram, you have already seen me rocking this, and oh my god, it's so bomb. I guess this is a small or medium, I can't remember. Actually it's a kimono dress, and I love velvet, and only the problem is that the fabric really sticks on them, so I need to buy a roller. Nevertheless, I love it. It's so bomb. I can dress this up or down, doesn't even matter. So next up is this tartan dress. Size wise, I'm a bit bummed about it. I bought this on large size and I should have bought them in medium size, and obviously I'm busted because it's so huge. Man, I've been trying to style them. It's been very difficult because it's a bit baggy, so it's kind of difficult for me to style them, but let's see. Okay, it's a bit of challenge for me. Nevertheless, I love them, and contrast between green and red tartan is so cool. Okay, so next up is this beautiful Chanel inspired top. I deliberately bought large size because if you don't know, I have a baby, and every time when I go to public areas I need to breastfeed him. That's the only reason I bought them in all large size. I can wear a belt on them and accentuate and show my figure. But let's see. Okay, so last but not the least, it's a beautiful blazer. Oh my goodness, I love blazer. Blazer are the key piece. You know, you can dress it down or you can dress it up. It doesn't even matter. It looks so cool on both ways you style them. It's lovely. And this blazer, actually I really love it because it is got like twisted around the arm areas. It looks like very effortless kind of look. And I also like another factor of this blazer is it has got a little bit of shoulder pad, and oh, shoulder pad, I am fida in shoulder pads. Oh my god, he too is shouting. He's a bit excited as well. Yes, I love it. It has got a pocket, and only the sad thing is that reasons, okay, so it's very hard to maintain this kind of fabrics, but hey ho, it's alright. I don't care. Alright guys, so that's about it for my Shein try and haul, and if you guys love this video, please thumbs up, because you guys know how much I love my thumbs up. At the background you can hear Hitu is cheering off for mama, and yeah, he's downstairs. I can't bring him up because he's gonna distract me. Lately he has started to become so mischievous, so I can't bring him here because he's gonna make me more tired. So I need to concentrate and carry on with my video as quickly as possible. That's why I'm rushing. Sorry guys. You know, if you see my hard work, please hit a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get my videos notified. Also, I just want to say hey guys to my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing me, and I love you so much. Alright you guys, I gotta go. Until then, stay humble, lots of love, peace out. Sunuk. Don't forget to use my coupon code. Okay, bye, happy shopping.
Been reading books of old, the legends and the men, Achilles and his gold.